Well, again, thanks everybody for making the trip. If you want something to drink, it's downstairs in the garage in the fridge. Hobbies on Saturday nights, the 124th cars. Well, it's Richard and Rhonda here from the Modesto area, racing here for the first time. Schedule up on the wall. We'll start with the RevoSlots. Then we'll take a lunch break. Got some pulled pork sandwiches and some goodies for lunch. And then we'll do the Group 5 and GT3 after that.
Rhonda, how does it feel? This is your first race ever.
Nervous, excited, and ready.
And who are you looking to take out today?
Richard.
My husband, of course.